So, let's take a look at her feeling chart. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Disgusted. Everybody make a disgusted face. Okay, wipe it away. Mad. Now show me furious. Let's try furious first. This is a repeat after me. Okay, I'm going to say a sentence and you are going to repeat it. And let's see. This is my furious voice.
This is my furious voice.
I liked how you were showing with your body too. Confused. Can you say confused?
Confused.
Okay. This is my confused voice.
This is my confused voice.
Good, I see people with their hands on their head. I see people touching their chin, one eyebrow up. Are you ready? This is my ecstatic voice. Oh, proud. Can you say proud? Proud. Oh, look over here. This is my proud voice.
This is my proud voice.
Good job. This is my confident voice.
This is my confident voice.
Shocked.
Shocked.
This is my shocked voice.
This is my shocked voice.
Oh my goodness.
Nervous.
This is my nervous voice.
This is my nervous voice.
I love how you're changing your voice, boys and girls. Terrified.
Terrified.
What should we do for terrified? Oh my gosh, look at that big open mouth. Hands in the air. We see a tarantula, a big